Let's explore migration strategies. This presentation will cover the approaches for migrating data to and from MongoDB. We'll also discuss how to handle schema changes effectively. There are mainly two types of migration. The first one is data import, which involves moving data from external sources into MongoDB. The second type is data export, which means extracting data from MongoDB to external systems. MongoDB provides native tools for data migration. The first one is mongoimport. This command imports data into MongoDB from a file. Here's an example. mongoimport, flag database, my database flag collection, users flag file, data.json. The second tool is mongoexport. This command extracts data from MongoDB and saves it to a file. For example, mongoexport flag database, my database flag collection, users flag out, users.json. MongoDB also offers tools for backup and restore operations. mongodump is used for creating backups. It exports MongoDB data to a directory. For example, mongodump flag database, my database flag out, /backup, /. mongorestore is used for restoring data from a backup. It imports data from a backup directory into MongoDB. For example, mongorestore flag database, new database /backup, /my database, /. Let's explore programming approaches for data migration. One approach is using Python with PyMongo. This involves using a Python script with the PyMongo library to connect to MongoDB, read data from a source, and insert it into a MongoDB collection. Here's an example from PyMongoimport Mongo client equals Mongo client, database equals client, square bracket, string, my database, string, square bracket, close, collection equals database, square bracket, string, users, string, square bracket, close, for doc in old data collection. Insert 1 parenthesis doc. Another approach is using ETL frameworks. You can use tools like pandas to read data from various sources, transform it, and then load it into MongoDB. Here's an example. Import pandas as pd-df equals p read csv, parenthesis, string, data.csv, string, parenthesis, close, records equals df, to dict, parenthesis, string, records, string, parenthesis, close, collection, insert many, parenthesis, records, parenthesis, close. Schema evolution refers to making gradual changes to your MongoDB schema without causing downtime. Here's how you can add a new field to existing documents. Database.users.update many, parenthesis open, curly bracket, string, phone, string, colon, curly bracket, $exists, colon, false, curly bracket, close, comma, curly bracket, $set, colon, curly bracket, string, phone, string, colon, null, curly bracket, close, parenthesis, close. When migrating data, there are two main patterns to consider. The Big Bang approach involves performing a complete migration during a maintenance window, resulting in a brief period of downtime. The incremental approach involves a gradual migration with minimal downtime, allowing the system to remain operational during the process. Here are some best practices for data migration. Always back up your data before starting any migration process to prevent data loss. Test the migration on non-production environments first to identify and resolve any issues. Continuously monitor the performance of your system during the migration to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.